Hello guys, today we will see how to create a logical interface that is a leaf in cluster mode Netapp. A leaf represents a network access point to a node in the cluster. So this leaf, as its name suggests, these are the logical interface which will be created over a physical media, and an IP address will be associated to it, and with that help of IP address the cluster will send or receive communication over the network. The physical media that I'm referring here are a physical port, a interface group, a VLAN, or a physical port or interface group that hosts a VLAN. If we'll talk about SAN protocol such as FC on a leaf, then in that case it will be associated with a WWPN. So in the coming section we will be creating a leaf in cluster mode Netapp through command line approach. First of all, log into the SSH session. To list out all the leaves inside a cluster, execute the shown command network interface show. In this case, under VS1CIFS, that is a data vserver, we will be creating a leaf with name leaf5. To create a leaf, execute the shown command network interface create, then -leaf, then give a leaf name. In this case we will give leaf5, then -vserver, vserver name, then we will have to assign a role. To see the available roles here, just type a question mark and you will see the type of roles that can be assigned to a leaf. Here, cluster, data, node management, intercluster, and cluster management. Each role has its own purpose. In this case, we will just use it for data. We cannot assign multiple role to a single leaf. After that, we have to assign a data protocol. So these are the data protocol that can be assigned to a leaf: NFS, CIFS, iSCSI, FCP, F cache, that is flex cache, and none. So in this case we will assign two data protocol, that is NFS and CIFS, to the leaf. Then we will have to mention a home node for this leaf. In this case we have two node, so we will be selecting one node from this cluster, and that is the node 1 cluster. Then in node 1 we have to select a home port for this particular leaf. As I explained earlier, we can use an interface group or a physical port. In this case we have interface group E0A and a physical port, that is E0C. So we will use E0C here. Then we have to assign a IP address to this particular leaf for data communication. Then provide the net mask. Many other parameters can be given here, but this much parameter is more than enough to create a leaf. So just press enter now. To list out the leaf, again execute the command network interface show. We can see here that under vserver VS1CIFS, a new leaf5 has been created, whose current node is node 1 and the current port is E0C of node 1. To verify whether the leaf is working fine or not, just open a command prompt and execute the command ping and then the IP address that has been assigned to the newly created leaf. As we can see, we are able to ping the IP address, so the leaf creation has been completed. Share your knowledge by commenting on this. Do subscribe, and thank you for watching.